Today I'm going to show you how to install your stainless steel damper. You have two nuts on the outside. There's a damper plate with this arm, which must be bent so that it runs perpendicularly to the damper plate itself. Then you have our handle. You want to make sure that your handle's always in the same direction as the damper. And attached to that is a washer and a spring. Ultimately, the install slides in like this. I'm showing you outside of the chimney, nuts on the opposite side to hold it in place. So whenever you are installing this, you want to make sure that that one nut that has the flat end is the first one that goes in. So we drop in our damper, make sure that the shaft of the damper handle slides through evenly, and then you want to attach the nut to the outside. You end up pressing down a little bit on the handle so that it compresses the spring, and you start off with that first nut that has the flat end, add the second one to lock it into place, and you have ultimately installed the damper. You can see that this little arm prevents it from rotating completely. It stops it, but you are pretty much good to go. That's how you install our stainless steel damper.